morning, everybody. Thank you for looking at this video. First of all, I would like to apologize for not posting anything in almost 11 months. Reason being is mostly work. So it took this pandemic for me to have enough time to work on my channel and other things that I was lacking behind. My equipment broke. Have problems with editing, lack of time. It was a series of events that brought me to a halt. Financial mostly, based on the fact that I want to buy new equipment, but didn't have the time to even purchase it. So my job was taking every considerable amount of time to be able to do anything in YouTube. Anyway, there has been certain developments on YouTube, especially with music that I post. Some of my videos from this point on might not have music, but I'm trying to come out with a way to have at least some sort of instrumental music. And it's mostly copyright issues. Sometimes you think you're safe with your copyrights and you get it for the sources you're supposed to be able to use in YouTube, but then along companies who hunt you down for any violation, so they can claim money for their whatever they call for supply money to the original writers of the song, which annoys me because I get the stuff either from Microsoft or from YouTube itself. It's supposed to be safe to use, but apparently it's not. So 2 of my videos got checked for that. No copyright violations for what I understood, but for possible copyrights, which I removed the songs for the time being. Even if you own the song, like you have your own CDs and things like that, it's still not considered part of usable. Nonetheless, that's the sad part about it. The good part about it, I'm back, and I'm gonna start videoing again. I'm going to show you what happened on my greenhouse in my next video. At the beginning was okay, I was doing great, but then again my work got in the way, especially during Christmas time, that a lot of my plants did not make it. Sorry, I'm using really old equipment right now because, as I say, my previous equipment is not functioning properly, so I have to figure out a way to fix it. With financials being tight due to this pandemic, it might take me a while. However, I have the time, so might as well do it. Okay, so thank you everybody to keep on my channel, especially all my subscribers, the 18 that I have. That is better than 0, which is awesome, because all these 10 months I was thinking that everybody have left me, but thank goodness that I'm still on their radar, which is good. Thank you very much for all my subscribers. I appreciate it, and please keep liking, making comments. And yes, one of my subscribers, Heides, she wants more cooking videos, which is on the works. I have to figure out what recipes I want to do because of practicality, and again, my equipment being not in the best conditions, but I will do the best I can. I have the time now. Even when I go back to work, I will again try to make the time, because my goal was to go to Japan, but again, with this pandemic, who knows if I'm gonna make it by turn 50. Maybe it's gonna be when I'm 55, who knows, depending on how this pandemic goes. And thank you very much, and keep in touch because I will post more videos very soon. Thank you.